but I feel sometimes so disconnected because I've been here for so long, and I always wonder, why didn't my father take me back home? Because the older I get, the more I want to be in touch with who I am, my culture, and it is up to not just the retirees, but the young people who are here, that they need to go back home. They need this, they need what you're providing today, and I hope you continue and hopefully get more of the young people engaged in what you do.
Thank you. Well, she says that so well. She says it so well. Yeah, but that dream that I have, that hope that I describe of the return, an organized return, that should be something that happened fast, soon, or it will be too late. Because that wave of immigrants that we have here that are ready to return, that wave is fading. I am fading. My wife is fading. And our children might not be interested. You are so interested. These are your children? But your children may not be. They may not even know Haiti. See, so this is something that that must happen before the wave of the 70s fades away. Because the rate of immigration to the United States now has slowed down. It's not as in the 80s that we had thousands every year to brought us to the 2 million now. That it's more slowly. See, so the hundreds of thousands that we have now, if we could get as many of them, we make the return. My wife and I, in 1986, 87, 88, I announced my retirement at the university that I was returning to Haiti. And we went to Haiti. I even got a job at Union School to teach. Union School is the American school in Port-au-Prince. But I had a couple of speeches by the then president, which was dividing the people, and he was putting a certain label on certain people that did not correspond to me in terms of content, but corresponded to me in terms of appearance. Because in Haiti, if you can buy a decent coat, decent pair of shoes, have a little car, has a decent house, the normal thing that we do here in Haiti, have some little parties with some friends, they tag you a bourgeois. And there was division being preachers between bourgeois and non-bourgeois. Okay, so that scared the hell out of us, because I said, I'm not going back to Haiti yet. So I went back to Philadelphia, where I was teaching. But I tried. I know a very good friend of ours, Dr. Thibault, who tried, who returned. He sold everything he had. But when he got there, the conditions were not right. He didn't stay 6 months. So the condition must be made right in Haiti. So that we have a lot of problem there. I know a former military officer who went back, very nice person with his family. But he had a child who was sick, who was mentally sick. And there was no care available for the child. So he had to return back to the United States. So I can give you, yes, I want to return. But I am accustomed already to the respect of my right. At my age, I need medical care. If I had a heart attack, I need to go to a good hospital.